Hi everyone, I am here cleaning a plastic roof today. So as you can see, it's probably medium dirty. I wouldn't say it's filthy, but it's not light. It's somewhere in the middle. We'll be doing it from the roof side, of course, as well as some from the ladder. We will be using a mold treatment on here to kill the spores. Just remember that whenever we're working in this way, we cannot work in the overlaps, okay? So that's where the sheets overlap. So I just want to show you this from the underside so you can see it well. Okay, and this is the roof from the top side, and as you can see, the lichen's fairly well formed. So what we'll do is this is the mold killer and also the sanitizer. So it sanitizes and kills the mold, which is what we're looking for, and that actually then starts to raise the root systems of the lichen off the plastic, and actually allows and ends up in a better clean for the customer, which is ultimately what we're trying to achieve. I'll give you a quick up close view of this. Now you can see the lichen's gone white. Now that's the sign that it's actually, you can see how easy it is to maneuver now off the plastic, right? So because it's started to die, it's starting to go white, and all the root systems are lifting. It's almost like it's shriveling up, and so you can see it's quite easy to move off. So we'll just be soft washing this roof with low pressure and cleaning it systematically and steadily. So here we are. I'm going to show you here. That's the pressure that we're washing with. You can see I put my hands right in front of there. No issues. And it's coming up like new, and that's exactly what we do. So we can clean these roofs, as you know from the other videos. We can clean them without damage. I've never blown a single hole in anyone's roof, but the secret to it is the mold treatment that we apply prior, which is really important in the way of allowing the organism to die and start to be able to lift those root systems out of the plastic. Okay, so I'll show you the end results and we'll go from there. Folks, there's the finished results. As you can see, it's remarkable. So these are the finished results. As you can see, it's come up really well. Looks 200% better. So if you have a roof with lichen or moss or dirt, grime, anything like that, just give us a bell. Be happy to give you a quote. And then you can actually enjoy your outdoor space more than rather than looking at black splotches on a clear roof. Give us a call, we'd be happy to help you, and hope you enjoy watching the video.